Yellow jacket's got me. Trying to stop my hand from swelling up and get some work done at the same time. The yellow jacket's made a nest in the driver's side taillight hole. There's wasps in there twice this year, and I got them out, and then the yellow jackets moved in, and I sprayed them with some brake cleaner, backed up about 30 feet. One of them came out of the hole right at me, full speed, whap, nailed me. Right there. Hand's getting a little puffy, and my veins immediately just popped out of my hand. So we'll see how much I get done. But I'm back at it. I really want to get this thing painted before the snow flies. And we're in Western New York. So 3-4 weeks I got at the most to get this prepped, sprayed, and then in the garage so I could start doing all the mechanical stuff. In the meantime, I still need to pull the engine in this and clean the whole engine bay too. The inside is completely painted. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. I know it's dark, but it's all hot rod black. It looks good. So that's done. The inside is prepped. Let's see how much more of this I can get done. There's a lot of orange peel in this paint, and as you can see, the doors are all the clear's peeling off. So I don't know what they painted the cab in, but that clear failed big time, and it's been peeling. Knock it down with some, I believe this is 180 or 320, I forget. 220. DA it with 220. Move my way up to probably 400. Do it one more time, maybe with 6, and go from there. Clean it, spray it. And I'll also grind the whole inside of the bed out because I'm gonna have it Linexed. And this is like cheap Rhino liner stuff. Not gonna cut it. That went pretty quick with the 220. So here's what we got going on with this recorder. This is pushed in, hit here, and also smashed under there. So I got some body work to do. It's all gonna have to be fixed. That's pretty banged in there pretty good. Also, this bumper is going away soon. I've been saying it for a while, but I gotta take these Nerf bars and bumpers off. spray away. Yes, I sprayed it with spray away before I sanded it. Finger doesn't look like it's swelling anymore. I'm good to go for now. See you next time.